Apple has just concluded its annual iPhone release event, and I bring you all the details in an easy to consume format so you can decide whether the new iPhone 16 Pro is worth your money or not. If you are planning to buy a new iPhone this year, this video is for you. Is Apple's latest iPhone 16 Pro worth the upgrade? Let's find out. A note: if you are interested in the larger iPhone 16 Pro model, the only difference is the larger 6.9-inch display and the bigger battery. All the features we talk about in this video will apply to the larger iPhone 16 Pro model also. Let's start the discussion with design and display. The iPhone 16 Pro looks just like its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro, with one physical change standing out: the camera control button. The display size has increased from 6.1 to 6.3 inches on the Pro model and 6.7 to 6.9 inches on the Pro Max model. Thanks to the thinnest bezels on any Apple device, Apple has achieved this display size increase without massively increasing the overall size of the iPhone. The final noticeable change is the new desert titanium color. If you want your iPhone to stand out from the previous year's model, this is the color to go for. As we said, the camera control button is the only physical change that you will notice on the new iPhone 16 Pro. The camera control button not only lets you take pictures but also adjust camera parameters without interacting with the app and use the new visual intelligence feature. You can click once to launch the camera app and click again to take the picture. You can also long press to start a video recording. The camera control also has pressure sensitivity. You can press lightly to remove all the on-screen camera controls and slide your finger to access zoom features. You can also light press twice to access all the other camera control and slide your fingers to adjust them. Instead of single press to launch the camera, you can long press the camera control to launch the visual intelligence feature. If you want to find information on something in your surroundings like a restaurant, long press the button to initiate visual intelligence and frame the subject. Press once on camera control and it will analyze the view and give you all the relevant information. There's also built-in support for Google Search and ChatGPT, allowing you to send information to these services if Apple Intelligence cannot handle it. The camera control button might seem like a single hardware button, but it does a lot of things and I'm quite happy about it. Moving on to the new A18 Pro chipset. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the new A18 Pro chipset and it's all about AI this year. The chipset is built on 2nd generation 3nm fabrication process. It has a new 16-core neural engine that powers the on-device Apple Intelligence. It has 17% more memory bandwidth, which allows it to run Apple Intelligence 50% faster than iPhone 15 Pro. It has a 6-core GPU that's 20% faster than the A17 Pro, with hardware ray tracing becoming twice as fast. The new CPU is also 15% more powerful than the outgoing A17 Pro. The new updates are nothing groundbreaking, but you are getting a good bump in the processing speed, which will result in faster Apple Intelligence performance. Moving on to the camera hardware and features, the camera system gets the best upgrade with the new iPhone 16 Pro. It has a new 48 megapixel fusion camera that can read the data 2 times faster for ultra fast capture. The phone also gets a new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera with a more advanced quad pixel sensor for super high resolution 48 megapixel Pro RAW and high photos and autofocus. The 5x telephoto lens, which was restricted to the iPhone 15 Pro Max model, has now come to the regular iPhone 16 Pro model. Apple has also introduced a new photographic styles feature which are user customizable. These styles are visible in live preview, allowing you to capture the right style directly from the camera. Of course, you can change these styles later in the Photos app. The iPhone 16 Pro can also record 4K 120fps Dolby Vision videos directly on the iPhone storage. You can use it for slow motion recording or in video mode and can adjust the playback speed in the Photos app. Shooting in Apple Log and ProRes, however, will require you to attach a compatible external SSD. Apple has also vastly improved the audio recording capabilities of its latest iPhone Pro models. There are 4 studio quality mics for better audio recording. It can also capture spatial audio during video recording. There's also a brand new audio mixing feature that lets you adjust the way voices sound in your videos using 3 different voice options. The in-frame option only captures the audio of people in the frame, removing the voices of out-of-frame people. This would be an awesome feature when recording your friends at parties or family functions. The studio audio mix option makes voices sound like you are recording in a professional studio equipped with sound dampening walls. It's great for vloggers or podcasters because the recording will sound like the mic is close to the subject's mouth even if it's a few feet away. Finally, there's the cinematic mix that captures all the voices around you and mixes them in a sound profile similar to blockbuster movies. I will have to test these features to see how they turn out, but if what Apple's trying here works, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will become the best videography smartphones in 2024. Now, let's go to the pricing. While there were rumors of price increase, I'm happy to report that the iPhone 16 Pro will start at $999 for the 128GB model and the iPhone 16 Pro Max at $1099 for the 256GB model, just like last year. So, what do you think about the new iPhone 16 Pro models? And will you upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to be the first one to catch our review of these new iPhones, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.